I like it when they tell me how old they are. Ladies, now about Kenya. Gross earnings 70,559. Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I know you will find value, or I hope you will find value. If you are a returning villager, a contributing villager, a silent villager, even if you don't comment, but please give me a like. It helps me a lot. Today we are looking at our payslip, our artisans, our patibemali. These guys, they are famous for giving us chest pains. Guys, I just want to talk about something quickly. I do receive offers for people to edit my videos, some of them even for free. Okay, one, I don't have budgets for it, and for those who want to do it for free, it's not something that I believe in, right? As a creative, I've done that for years where I undercharge, or I do things for free for exposure. No, I just don't promote that. I'm not for it. It's not for me. I don't like it. Okay, so if I can't afford the service, then I should not utilize your services. I know young people, some of them, they feel I can give them exposure if they edit my videos, but trust me, I would rather give you something, even if it's little, but not for free. Okay, so I need you to understand that concept clearly. I hope you understand. Right now, let's look at what you can expect on this video. Diesel mechanic, firefighter. I know a firefighter is not an artisan, but I didn't know where to put them, so I thought, okay, let me put them on this one. And then there's a mechanic, and then a mechanical fitter. There is South African but based in Canada. And millwrights. Finally, we get to see a payslip of a millwright, a motor mechanic, and then plumbing artisan, another plumbing artisan. Get ready for chest pains. Okay, let's start with the firefighter, right? Okay, let's start with the firefighter. This guy has grade 12. That's what they said to me, and those are the requirements: grade 12 and the driver's license. Okay, they work for the municipality, but it's not a big municipality. It's not a metro, right? Basic salary 24,000, overtime 16,400, standby 4,200, shift allowance 5,250. Okay, gross earnings 49,900, total deductions 13,400, and a net pay of 36,478. I know there were people who were saying, please, these guys, stand by for what? Firefighters are never there. Guys, please don't do that. Okay, now let's look at the two plumbing artisans. All right, first one, hi Boni, I went to a learnership with that offers NQF level 4 in plumbing. Then unfortunately I got into an apprenticeship for 3 years with the same company on the War on Leaks program. That is how I got my trade test with AITF training facility in Kempton Park. Okay, minimum requirements of a trade test is NQF 4 or plumbing and 2 under civil engineering, and recommendation letters from the company that offers training for under the apprenticeship. Okay, all they need is maths and science. School maths and science. Okay, I don't know. Oh, he said fortunately, not unfortunately. Fortunately, he got into an apprenticeship. Right, let's see how much is this young man earning. Basic salary 24,700, overtime 1,000, overtime 15,644, standby 4,700, shift allowance 200 rands, gross earnings 45,300, total deductions 14,725, and a net pay of 30,594. That's someone or a plumbing artisan. Okay, asibone lo wesibili. How much are they earning? Hi Boni, I'm an artisan in plumbing. I have been following you on TikTok. I must say you are doing a good job as it motivates and increases awareness, your career choices, especially for students. Thank you. Find my payslip. Right, one is not working for a municipality. Okay, basic salary. Hey, this is a woman actually. Mangoni Gama, it's a woman. I'm assuming it's a woman. Okay, basic salary 26,174. Emergency overtime 900 rands. Another emergency overtime 1,200. Another, it's service delivery 3,600. Service delivery 4,800. Homeowners allowance 1,000 rands. Total earnings 37,825. Total deductions 14,298. Net pay of 23,531. Let's compare a basic salary with these two. I just want to see, Guti. Okay, the salary here, the basic salary was 24,000. Okay, and then the other one, basic salary is 26,000. Okay. Yeah, guys, I think it's good. This one is also paying for his bond. Yeah, I think it's a good one, guys. How is the village feeling about this one? Right, guys, let's look at a diesel mechanic. Okay, diesel mechanic. I have excess 8 years experience as a diesel mechanic. I started working for this company though in May 2023, so this is a new job. I'm actually on an entry level, although I'm way too experienced. I have a company bakkie that I use to travel to work and for my own pleasure. This company is based in Mpumalanga. We are mining coal. Take note that I am 30 and I'm single. Guys, why is this relevant? You know what? I think he was trying to show us, look at me. I am chowing my money by myself. I am chowing my money by myself. He's single, okay, and he's dead. Okay, okay. Basic salary 37,800, and then there is another income. I think it's overtime 28,000. The way this payslip is short, oh, okay, let's read from here. Salary, basic salary 37,800. Saturday overtime 28,500. Saturday, Sunday overtime 10,400. Medical aid allowance 250. Ooh, I'm shocked. Why is it so little? And then total earnings 76,950. Total deductions 20,400, and a net pay of 56,456. There's someone who is a diesel mechanic, and he said, I must tell you that he is steady and single. All right. Let there be chest pains. Guys, still coming up is a salary of a millwright. Okay, now let's go to a mechanic. I got two payslips. One is junior, and then the other one is senior. So his manager sent me the payslip. So this guy, so he really hopes he can motivate someone who's working under an apprenticeship in a dealership. Okay, hi Boni, I'm a service manager at a dealership. I'm a qualified motor mechanic. I qualified through an apprenticeship at a dealership, which I started in 2008. I do not have a degree. I just learned service department processes while I was on the job. I applied myself to the task given and I ended up where I am. I have been a service manager for 4 years now. The incentive I get is a portion of the net profits that the department makes, okay, it ranges between 38 and 43,000 depending on how the business is. 41K is the average incentive. Are you ready for chest burns? This is the manager name. Then we're gonna see his junior, how much he is earning, okay? Right. Salary 33,540. Incentive service 41,347. Total earnings 74,800 and 74,800. Total deductions 27,500 and a net pay of 47,373. There's someone who is a mechanic at a dealership. How is the village feeling about this one? Now let's see someone who's junior to him, okay, also started this through an apprenticeship. I asked him, do you consider maths? And he said yes, they consider maths and science. Salary 23,000, training 500 rands, incentive 20,100. Okay, what I love about this is even when you are junior, you still get the incentive. So the incentive is not reserved for the managers. Big ups to these guys, ne? And if you must know, this dealership is in KZN. Total earnings 43,600, total deductions 11,000, and a net pay of 32,553. Guys, I am loving it. I like this. Like, this is my jam. I absolutely love it. Right. Now let's look at a mechanical fitter. There is South African but based in Canada, and then after that we're gonna look at a millwright. Guys, please do like this video and give me your thoughts. You know, liking a video, guys, it will not cost you a cent, nothing. You know, it just helps me with the algorithm so that YouTube can see that, oh, this video is actually interesting. So even if you drop me a comment, I would also appreciate it if you can like the video, and also to subscribe. Subscription is also free. Right. Mechanical fitter that is based in Canada. Okay, he did study here in South Africa, but then wamuva wayohlala e Canada. Double time 4,700 USD, and then there's holiday and holiday 330 USD. Yeah, but his regular pay is 2,300. Okay, gross pay for this month with the double time and working on holiday and stuff, so we're just gonna say overtime, it's 9,000 USD. Okay, and then he pays his tax, and then he gets a net pay of 4,800 USD. He is also paying for his pension. Okay, so what I notice here, his regular pay without all the overtime is 2,321 USD. But again, I suppose they get the overtime often. Yeah, Boni, you know how it is. So there's someone who is a mechanical fitter, he's an artisan, and he trained in South Africa. Guys, I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. Disappoint me and not say it. You're gonna say, Sis Boni, please ask this guy to give us his contact details, how we got this job in Canada. I know that's what you're gonna ask, okay? Let me see how many comments I'm gonna get with that request. And then if I see what I know, good agent, then I'll ask him to please give us his details. But if I don't get enough, I'm just gonna think what I know. Shoot, this thing is not important. No, guys, even if it's one comment, I'll still forward the message for you. But don't email me. Yeah, well, don't email me, because guys, what happens is when I see what I need to do content wise, I always check the comments on the video, okay? But now if you just send me something, a request on email, also what happens is you don't get the opportunity for someone who's in that field to respond to you, because when you want to ask me privately. Don't be scared. If you want to ask me something, just ask me here. Just drop me a comment, okay? Because you will get the help. And trust me, I use comments to see what I need to do where content is concerned. You know, not the people who send me. My email address, guys, is strictly if you want to send me your payslip. That's it. Don't request for Iloni payslip or something on email, right? Anyway, now let's look at payslip of a millwright. He's in a permanent job, did his 4-year apprenticeship. He's 26 years old. Yeah, he's 26 years old. Let's see how much this young man is earning. I like it when they tell me how old they are. Ladies, now about Kenya. Basic salary 38,700, overtime 21,000 rands, overtime 5,400, shift allowance 5,500, gross earnings 70,559. Total deductions 25,381 and a net pay of 45,177. That's a pay slip of a millwright, a 26-year-old millwright. How is the village feeling about this pay slip? Hey guys, sadly we've come to the end of this video. Guys, make use of the playlist to see other pay slips. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. And remember, you can also send me your pay slip by emailing me xaba.bonisile@gmail.com. Bye bye.